Hello and welcome. You may be watching this because you want more confidence in your life. But before we go further, take a quiet moment and ask yourself something important. Why do you want confidence? Think about it honestly. How would your life change if you truly believed in yourself? What would become possible? Because the truth is, many people never change. They stay in the same routine for years. They stay comfortable, stay afraid, and stay hidden. So look at your life for a moment. Maybe you spend most of your time alone. Maybe you scroll for hours. Maybe you keep saying you will start tomorrow. You avoid difficult things. You stay where it feels safe. Then you look at confident people and think they were born different. But confidence is usually not luck. It is practice. Confident people keep promises to themselves. They build habits. They move forward even when they do not feel ready. Your feelings often want comfort. They want the easy path. But growth usually lives somewhere else. Confidence grows when action becomes stronger than excuses. And today, we will talk about simple ways to build that confidence step by step. At the same time, you are also training your English. Every sentence you hear helps your listening, vocabulary, and understanding. So while you build confidence, you are also improving another important skill. Let's begin. The first step is simple. Create small goals every day. Do not make huge plans. Do not write 20 tasks and finish none. Start with small actions. Wake up earlier. Read a few pages. Practice English for 5 minutes. Walk outside. Speak to someone new. Small actions look weak at first, but repeated actions create momentum, and momentum creates belief. Each time you do what you promised yourself, your mind learns trust. But every time you quit, delay, or ignore your own promises, that trust becomes weaker. So choose 3 small goals every morning and finish them. The second step is learning new skills. Confidence often comes from confidence. When you know how to do useful things, you naturally feel stronger. Learn a language. Learn cooking. Learn public speaking. Learn money skills. Learn to express your thoughts clearly. You do not need to master everything. Choose one skill and improve a little each day. Maybe English feels difficult for you. Start with 1 sentence daily. Record yourself. Listen again. Improve slowly. 1 sentence becomes many. Practice becomes comfort. And one day you realize you are no longer afraid. The third step is learning to accept discomfort. Most people avoid fear. That is exactly why many people stay the same. Growth usually begins where comfort ends. Scared to speak? Speak anyway. Nervous about meeting people? Try anyway. Afraid of failure? Move forward anyway. Discomfort is not punishment, it is training. Imagine someone afraid to talking to strangers. Instead of hiding, they decide to speak with 1 new person every day. At first, it feels impossible. Later, it becomes normal. The fear did not disappear first. Action came first. That is how courage grows. Next, pay attention to your posture. Your body speaks before your mouth does. Stand straight, lift your head, relax your shoulders. Take calm breaths. Simple changes in posture affect the way you feel. When your body carries confidence, your mind often follows. Now let's talk about something difficult. Too much social media can quietly damage confidence. You watch perfect photos, perfect lives, perfect success. Then you compare your real life to edited moments, and comparison steals peace. Most people only show highlights. You never see the full story. Instead of spending hours watching others live, use some of that time to improve your own life. Read, learn, exercise, practice English, build something. Even 30 minutes daily can change a year. Another important lesson is this: stop waiting to become perfect. Perfection keeps many people trapped. You wait for better English before speaking. You wait for confidence before trying. You wait for the perfect moment, and nothing happens. Real progress is messy. Babies learn by falling. People grow by trying. You do not need perfection. You need movement. Walk into places like you belong there, not because you are better than anyone else, but because you respect yourself. Many people enter a room trying to disappear. Eyes down, quiet voice, tight shoulders. Try something different. Walk calmly, keep your head up, make eye contact, speak clearly. Your body sends messages to your mind every second. Let those messages say, "I belong here." Also, take care of yourself. Clean clothes, good hygiene, organized space. These things may look small, but they affect how you see yourself. And do not forget your inner world. Watch your thoughts. Are they full of fear, anger, and self-criticism? Or are they helping you grow? Read good books. Protect your energy. Speak kindly to yourself. Now, here is another important step. Do things that scare you. Confidence grows through action. Talk to someone new. Share your opinion. Ask the question. Record the video. Fear often points toward growth. Each time you face it, you become stronger. And while building confidence, remember this: you are allowed to become a new version of yourself. You are not trapped inside your old habits. Or a life where you tried, spoke up, and grew. Do not spend your time hiding. Use it. Also, choose your friends carefully. The people around you shape your future. Stay close to people who support growth, learning, health, and honesty. Choose people who help you become better. Because confidence spreads, so does doubt. And respect yourself. If someone says something that hurts you, do not always laugh just to fit in. You can stay calm and still protect your boundaries. Self-respect is part of confidence. Another thing many people forget: celebrate small wins. Finished a book chapter? Practiced English? Kept a promise? Be proud. Small victories matter. You do not need to wait for huge success to appreciate yourself. Also, stay open to learning. Confident people do not pretend to know everything. They ask questions. They listen. They stay curious.
Sometimes life lessons come from unexpected people. Stay humble. Keep learning. Talk to new people too. A simple conversation can change your day. Say hello. Ask questions. Be open. Confidence grows through connection. And one more thing. Stop living as a victim. Maybe life has been difficult. Maybe people hurt you. Maybe your journey has been hard. But today still belongs to you. You can decide what happens next. Pain can become power. You are not only your past. Finally, start now. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Use what you already have: your time, your effort, your curiosity, your small steps. Every confident person was once unsure. Every strong person was once learning. The difference is they started. So move forward, build slowly, keep learning, keep improving, and keep believing that change is possible. Thank you for spending this time here today. Keep practicing your English, Keep growing your confidence. Keep becoming the person you want to be. There is always another step forward, and you do not have to walk it alone.